In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an MP4 with the best settings in Premiere Pro. Once your edit is locked, let's open the export settings. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Export, then Media. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac. This brings up the export window where we'll make a few key choices to ensure your video looks great and plays everywhere. First, set the format to H.264. This is the industry standard for creating MP4 files, which are widely compatible with web platforms, mobile devices, and most players. It delivers an excellent balance of quality and file size, making it the go-to choice for most exports. Next, choose a preset. If you want a dependable all-purpose setting, select Match Source High Bitrate. This aligns the export with your sequence settings and uses a healthy bitrate for strong quality. If you're targeting a specific platform like YouTube or Instagram, pick the platform-specific preset instead. Those presets automatically tune things like bitrate and dimensions to meet the service's recommendations while still using H.264. Before you move on, double-check video settings. Confirm that your resolution and frame rate match your project. For example, if your sequence is 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, the export should reflect the same numbers. Matching these avoids unwanted resampling, stutter, or softness. Only deviate if you intentionally need a different size or frame rate. Now set the bitrate to VBR, 2-pass. VBR stands for variable bitrate, which allocates more data to complex scenes and less to simple ones. The 2-pass option analyzes your video first, then encodes it, resulting in steadier quality and more efficient file sizes. It does take longer than 1 pass, but the quality improvements are worth it for a final deliverable. In extra options, enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Maximum depth helps preserve gradients and detail, especially if you used high bit depth footage or heavy color grading. Maximum render quality improves scaling and fine edges. Both options can extend export time slightly, but they're smart switches for a polished result. Finally, set your file name. Make sure the extension ends in .mp4. Choose a save location you'll remember and click export. Give the process time to complete and you'll have a high quality MP4 ready to share. That's it. With these settings, you'll get a clean, compatible export that's ideal for most platforms and projects.